Hi, my name is Eric Ronning, the president and founder of Remixers Inc. We manufacture an industry-critical device called a static mixing nozzle. Mixing nozzles are single-use devices that automatically mix chemicals as they're dispensed through them. They are vitally important since most industrial adhesives rely on these nozzles to manufacture everything from electronics to cars, boats, airplanes, and even rockets. By switching to industrial adhesives, engineers have both achieved lighter and stronger products. It's because of this recent adoption that over 1 billion mixing nozzles are sold worldwide every year. However, when speaking with customers, we kept hearing complaints about traditional nozzles and how wasteful they are. So we developed Xemex, a new kind of mixer that reduces material waste by 75%. Given their popularity in industry, Xemex offers an opportunity for customers to take significant costs out of their production line while removing 10 million pounds of waste from landfills worldwide every year.